Hello friends, welcome to Shanu's kitchen. Today's recipe is fish kalia. It's a traditional Bengali dish. For this recipe we need either rohu or katla. It is very easy to prepare and it is really tasty, and it can be prepared with whatever ingredients available at your home. So let's see what are the ingredients required for this recipe. Keep watching. So for today's recipe we need rohu fish. These are 4 pieces large. Some dried raisins which I have soaked it in water, garam masala which includes jeera, 100 to 150 ml of beaten curd. These are the spices which includes jeera powder, haldi powder, salt, red chili powder and sugar as per your taste. I have taken 2 medium sized onion and pasted it. This is the mustard oil which is required for both frying and for the main preparation, and I have taken here 6 to 7 teaspoons. And 2 green chili. You can add more chili or less chili as per your taste. Now let's marinate the fish with the spices. So first we will add some haldi powder, some salt and some red chili powder. We will marinate with the spices. So you can see the marination is complete. Now we will fry it. Remember, you don't have to keep the fish for an hour or 2, just keep it for 15 minutes, then it's ready to fry. Now let's fry the fish. Our pan is hot now, we will add the oil. We will not add the whole oil, we will add a little bit for frying. Now here for frying you can add more oil or less oil, depend upon you. Let's spread the oil nicely. So oil is nicely spread. Now we will add the fish. Make sure the fish doesn't touch each other or it will break. Spread it evenly. So the one side is fried. Now we will flip the fish to fry the other side. Remember, for this recipe we will not fry the fish deep. We will just saute it. You can see it's nicely fried. The color also changed to golden brown. So the fish is nicely fried now. Now I will remove it. Removing the fish is really a difficult part, but make sure it doesn't break. So now let's start with the main recipe. See, here we have added the oil that is fried for the fish. Now we'll add some more oil for the main recipe. So the oil is hot now. Now we're going to add the whole spices. We will saute it for a few seconds. Make sure it doesn't burn. Now we will add the onions. Saute it nicely, mix all the spices nicely. So now the onion is nicely fried and its color also changed to golden brown. Now we will add the spices. Now again, the amount of spices is up to you how much you want to use. Then we will add the dried raisins. Now we will add some water so that the masalas doesn't burn, and saute it. So you can see the onion and the masalas are nicely mixed. Now we are going to add the curd. Mix it nicely. Once you add the curd, mix it as soon as possible. The spices and the curd is nicely mixed. The gravy is ready. Now here we're going to add some water. The reason to add the water so that it doesn't get stuck with the pan. One thing I'd like to add for this whole recipe, the flame should be in medium high. So you can see the gravy is ready now. Now it's time to add the fish. I can tell you one thing friends, the aroma is so nice and I'm really getting hungry and it is really getting difficult for me to shoot. I'm just waiting when it will get over. So we have added the fish, mixed it with the gravy. After this, keep the flame in low and cover it. Now we are going to cover the fish. Keep the flame in low and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's 5 minutes now. Open the lid and mix it again so that the bottom doesn't get stuck. And at this time, we're going to add the green chilies. Stir it a little bit, slowly, gently. Now we are going to cover it and cook it for 5 minutes again. So now friends, our fish kalia is ready. It looks nice, the texture is nice, and it came as we desired. Now it is ready to serve. So friends, now you can see fish kalia is ready. It's ready to eat now. It looks really nice, the texture is very nice, and it tastes really good. So friends, hope you like this recipe and video. Please try this at home and let us know in the comments. And please watch, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.